Magical Monday. And every Monday is going to be magical from now on because that is when I'm going to try to post a new video. So this Magical Monday, we have an awesome art project of how to make a pet portrait. But before we do that, the most important thing that I want you to learn in every single art lesson, very important, is not how to do that specific project, but how to think like an artist. So, how do you think like an artist? Well, you have to learn how to make mistakes, and mistakes are okay. So, we're gonna start with our magical mantra, and the magical mantra is, today is a magical day. It will be great in every single way. I will risk and I will try, and my confidence will fly, and I'll learn that mistakes are okay. So let's try it again really fast. Today is a magical day. It will be great in every single way. I will risk and I will try. My confidence will fly, and I will learn that mistakes are okay. So today I'm going to need a little help, and since it's Monday, I'm going to call it Mitsu Monday because Mitsu is my puppy who inspired me to make this painting. So I call it a puppy painting, puppy pet painting, lots of P's. And I'm going to show you how I did this one. So I'm going to need her help. Nit-Nit, come here, Nit-Nit. But I have to bribe her because she doesn't really listen to me. Come up on the couch. Let's see if I can get her up here. Come here. Come here. I know. Hocus pocus. Okay, it's not working. That's it. Come on. Good girl. Wasn't that a good girl? Let's give her a hand. Yay! Sit down. Sit down. Isn't she the most beautiful puppy? That's why I wanted to paint a picture of her. Sit down. Sit down. So that is the other puppy portrait, and I kind of did them in a similar style. A lot of times people will tell you you have to have what you're looking at in front of you in order to paint it so that it looks real. Well, dogs don't really listen very well, as you can see from my puppy. Come here a minute. And they like to move around a lot. They're not going to sit still for you to finish a painting that might take you from 1 to many, many hours to finish. So that's why I like to take a really good picture of my puppy, and then I save it onto my computer or my phone, and I like to edit it. When I edit it, I turn up the color. The style that I'm looking for is kind of impressionistic. Like my favorite artist is Vincent van Gogh. So I try to do kind of a painterly where you can see the brush strokes and make it sort of an impressionistic sort of a style. So I do the editing that really helps create that style. The app that I use is called Prisma. PixArt is a really good app as well. So I edit it and then I print it off on my computer. Once I do that, I make a grid, and then I get my canvas. Obviously, it needs to be a bigger size, so usually I double the size, and then I start the painting part. So Mimi, come up here. Oh, she almost did it! Good. Mitsu's gonna help us get started. Good girl! Can you say bye, Mimi? No, she won't say bye. She doesn't like cuddles. She's very tough.
See ya.
So, this is how I started my puppy painting. Okay, so once you have your picture printed out, then you need a pencil and a ruler. So we're going to take the ruler and we're going to use inches. We're going to measure the picture. It's about 8 inches. It's 8 inches horizontally, and it's about 10 inches vertically. Now my canvas is probably see, it's 12 plus almost 4. So it's about 2 inches. So this will be 1 inch grid. This one I need to make a 2-inch grid. Okay, so now I have my picture grid numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 1-inch cubes, and then I have 10 inches vertically. So with my canvas, all I had to do was double. So these are 2-inch squares instead of 1 inch. You can start in any spot you want, but you want to look in each space and just draw the negative shapes that you see using the space in that square. So if we start at square 1, I can see the curve of the ear starts kind of in the middle and then curves over at the top. So I'm going to start in square 1 and put a little mark where I think the ear curves up and where the ear stops. Then I'm going to go down to the next grid and do the same thing. And I'm going to continue doing that until I have my entire picture filled in.